Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie. 大家好，我係 Marie. Welcome to the Cantonese whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you will learn how to give simple directions in Cantonese. Let's get started. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the direction words. Find the direction words and see how it's used in the dialogue. 圖書館喺邊度？圖書館喺邊度？ Where is the library? 圖書館喺邊度？圖書館喺學校前面。圖書館喺學校前面。The library is in front of the school. 圖書館喺學校前面。Let's take a look at the map. Here is a scenario. This is me walking down the street. When I'm over here, someone asked me, "Where is the library?" 圖書館喺邊度？ You can see the library here, and I will use the school in front of it. 圖書館喺學校前面。圖書館喺學校前面。The library is in front of the school. But remember, the directions that you will give all depend on your own location and your line of sight of the place that you were asked about. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have 前面 in front of. 前面前面。後面 behind. 後面後面。隔離 next to. 隔離隔離。遠離 far away from. 遠離遠離。左邊 to the left of. 左邊左邊。右邊 to the right of. 右邊右邊。對面 across from. 對面對面。入面 inside of. 入面入面。Now let's look at some speaking examples. 銀行喺圖書館右邊。銀行喺圖書館右邊。The bank is to the right of the library. 餐廳喺圖書館後面。餐廳喺圖書館後面。The restaurant is behind the library. Do you remember how to say in front of? 前面前面。And how to say behind? How mean. How mean. Do you remember how to say next to?隔離.隔離. And how to say far away from? 遠離.遠離. Do you remember how to say to the left of? 左邊. 左邊. And how to say to the right of? 右邊. 右邊. Do you remember how to say across from? 對面. 對面. And how to say inside of? 入面. 入面. Do you remember how to say the library is? 圖書館喺. 圖書館喺. And how to say the library is in front of the school? 圖書館喺學校前面. 圖書館喺學校前面. In this lesson, you learned how to give simple directions in Cantonese. Thanks for watching. I'm Marie, and I will see you on CantoneseClass101.com. 再見.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.